Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming here, consider subscribing to the subscribe button and turn the notification icon to get notified each time I post a new video. So on today's design, I want to make a new month flyer. So just like what I told you the other time I posted a video, I will be combining Photoeditor and Pixellab to actualize some designs. So but before we start, let me show you the design we'll be working on today. So this design you are seeing on this screen now, that's what we will be designing on this video. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So the first thing is you open your Photoeditor. If you have not downloaded the Photoeditor, you can just download it from the Play Store. I will still do another video maybe next week to teach you some of the tools on this Photoeditor. I recommend it. It's very good. So this is how Photoeditor looks like when you open it. So I will now go to my gallery and check for the background I will use. So let me open it now. Okay, I think let me check here. Let me check for where the background is. Let me check for it. Okay. Just exercise some patience. Okay, let me see if it's here. It's not here. Okay, so sorry for the delay. I was checking for the place. So I think this is this download. This is where the thing is. This is the background here. This particular one now. This is the background. Okay, I think I need to open it again. Okay, it has opened. So this is it. Once you import your background the way I did now, you come over to effect. The first thing you do each time you start to design is to blur your image a little bit. Blur your image. So just increase. Okay, the thing is not showing, but the hardness of the background has been reduced from this, so the next thing now is to come over to this place. We have some tools here, but I will still teach you some of the work here. I will come over to text and image and click on this plus icon and select my gallery. I will go to my gallery, then I will look on the image. This Photoeditor is very good for picture enhance. When you are designing, you can easily blend your pictures to the background you are working with. You understand what I mean when I start to do that. So I will come over to download. I'll come to download now, then I'll come and select I'll select the images I will